Hello and welcome to our Teams demo mini-series. I'm Jacob.
And I'm Stacey.
And we're Microsoft product and licensing specialists at Softcat.
We put together a series of short demo videos to talk you through the different aspects and features when you're getting started in Teams.
Teams usage has increased dramatically from 25 million active daily users at the end of 2019 to 75 million active daily users in May 2020.
So as a result, our Microsoft team at Softcat have been engaging with customers on Teams more than ever. So we wanted to create a demo mini-series aimed at those who are new to Teams.
We hope you enjoy the videos, and if you'd like to learn more about Teams, then please do get in contact. Part one is getting started in Teams. Now, Stacey and I are already in a video call, so I'm just going to share my screen with Stacey, just so she can see what I'm doing while I'm running through the demo. And then we'll go from there. Brilliant. So can you see my screen, Stacey?
Yep.
Great. So we'll start with the window. We're using the desktop app today. So across the top here, you have your navigation buttons. So go back to a previous window you were in. You can just click the button there or go forward. Just over on the right hand side, if you want to start a new chat with someone or start a new group chat, then you can click here for new chat. We also have a search functionality along the top here. Find someone from your organization that you need to speak to, or a list of commands. If you want to find out what the weather was and you have the weather app installed, you'll be able to get the latest weather report. Along the top, you have your profile. So if you want to change your picture, change your status to let people know not to disturb you because you're working, or set a status message, you can do that all from up here. Over on the left-hand side is the activity button. Now, this will be a familiar feel for anyone from social media. So every time you're mentioned or you miss a call from someone, it'll be listed here on the left-hand side. The next window down, we have the chat window. So here, all of your persistent chats are contained. So if you want to message someone when they're offline, that the message will stay there until they come online and read it. And all the chat history is saved as well. So you can always search back through and find anything you need to. In the chat window, any files you do share will all be stored up here. If you're part of the same, you can see what organization in the business that the person you're speaking to is from. And you can also see what activity you share as well. Over here, you can video call the person, voice call them, or share your screen. If you want to pop out a chat with this person with another person in it, then it will start a new conversation with the person that you've decided to start talking to. You can share GIFs with each other. So Stacey and I were sharing GIFs earlier, and you can like and react to people's messages that they do send you. Thanks for the GIF, Stacey. On the bottom here, you can change the formatting of any messages you're typing. Most usual format tools there. You can change the delivery options. Here's where you attach files to people if you need to send them a file. Emojis and GIFs like we saw above. You can also share memes or stickers. Schedule a meeting with that person. So if you want to schedule a meeting with Stacey, we'll just go here, close that one down. And that's it from the chat window. We'll be going on to the Teams pages in a demo video further down the line, so we'll gloss over that one. The calendar tab will pull through your calendar from Exchange Online. So all of my meetings are in here. I can start a meeting now if I wanted to with other people in the business, or schedule a meeting further down the line, and that will automatically pull through to Outlook as well. The call tab is exactly what it says. This is where you can call other people that you need to in your team or outside your team, and if you have the correct licenses, you could contact people outside the business as well if you're set up in that way. Your contacts, any history, and all your voicemail will be contained in here as well. The files tab will show you all of the files you've worked on recently. So if you can't find where you've left it, or it's stored somewhere and it was quite tricky to get to, all of the recent files you've worked on will be here across Teams and also in OneNote as well. So that's it for part one.